Let me show you how you can find these winning products. So my name is Florian, and first, before I tell you the secret how to find products that will make you a lot of money, let me first show you a product that we did over 100,000 euros with. So they're premium material, they walk super smooth. Normally they cost 120 euros each a pair, but only today 50 euros. And guys, believe me, you don't want to miss this one.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here!
So enough talking, let's get to the real value. As you can see, we sold of these sandals, we sold 2,100 pieces in about 2 months. And as you can see, these sandals had generated for us an additional revenue of 107,000 euros. So how did the product page look? The sandals costed us 10 euros. We had free plus shipping to the Netherlands. Always make an action at every product. Even if you have no idea what to do, just make something, do something random. It's always better than to have nothing on it. No worries, it will not lower your conversion. Sometimes I hear that. No, always make actions because you will just make even more money. So we did a nice action of, it was in Dutch. I translated for you guys it in English. Temporary action, second half price. So if somebody took just one pair, we had 40 euros profit margin, but a lot of people, a lot of women also took 2 pair. They thought second half price is a nice deal. And then we had a nice profit margin of 45 euros on one order. So this was the product. Let me show you the exact research method, how we found this product and how we find all our winners. Yes, so we are in AdSpy and we're going to search some products together. Maybe you know, but we dropship in Europe, so we are a lot of active in Germany and France right now. For example, let's say we are gonna look for products for our French store. What are we gonna do? We're gonna look for products that go hard in, for example, Germany, the United Kingdom, USA, Spain, Italy, and that products we are gonna bring to France. Why? If a product goes hard in Germany, why shouldn't it also go hard in French? That's also what we do. It works extremely well, and with AdSpy you can search it very easy. So what we're gonna do is, one thing is the most important, and that is that we go to technologies, and then we're gonna type in Shopify. Why? Now we're just gonna get the ads from Shopify sites, and maybe as you know, almost every dropship store is a Shopify site. Then we're gonna create between, we want to see ads from products that are going hard right now. For that we just select past 2 weeks, then we do likes. Now we're gonna look at the country, we're going to look in Germany, what goes well in Germany. So we take Germany, the language, we take German, otherwise we just get false ads. Nice, and as you can see, bras always do really well. I immediately would test this one. Important dropshipping is the product. So the most important thing is that you test a lot of products. We test 3 products a day, so we don't have strict criteria or something. We almost test everything there is on AdSpy. This one for sure. Because of COVID, the hairdressers are closed in Germany. So I immediately would test this one. What else? That's 2. This one I would test. We tested it. It's like a belt. Super nice belt. This one I would test. This one. The bras again. Yeah, that was just for Germany. So we've looked in Germany, let's look in another country. Let's take the United Kingdom. Language, we take English. We take last month. Yes, nice, that's one. The car scratch repair kit. I should immediately test this one again. Why? We made in March a lot of money with this product, but we did it in the Netherlands. So for sure test this one. That's 2. A kid's drawing set. I know this was a winner. Why not? Let's test it. Nice. And this one I would test. It just looks nice. It's the sort kind of thing that you just buy in a store, and it just really looks nice to have it in your own house. So that's how easy it is to find winning products. Let's do the last country. Let's take the United States. Language, English. And our goal, what is our goal? Our goal is to be the first one who tests this product in the country in a well, so a lot of people had forgotten the product, or that we just come with the solution. What also works extremely well is just look what went last year hard during this period and just bring these products again this year, because a lot of products that went last year very good, that were winners last year, also are winners this year, are winners next year, were winners 2018 and 2017. So let's select 2019 and then we take the whole month. Nice, USA. Ooh, that's a good one. Testing this one. Hair serums, we sold a lot of January, but be careful, it is a health product. You make promises and I don't know if it works, but Facebook doesn't like products like these. So it is very, how do you say it? A very big risk that you can be shut down by Facebook. Sandals, it's not the time of year right now. Trump. These are nice, why not? Let's try these one to sell. Nice. And this one to sell. So now you saw how easy it is to look for products. Just look for products that go hard right now or that went well last year, last month in another country, and just bring these products to the country that you are selling in. So I just showed you the research tool that we use and the exact method how we look for products. It really is super simple.
This is really easy.
If you find $100 a month, a lot of money, I totally understand that. We now have a free Facebook group. Join it and ask if some people want to form together with you an AdSpy group. So you can use AdSpy for just $10 or just $20 a month.
Nice.
So why do we share all this value? We struggled a very long time. We had all kinds of jobs to support our dropship business. Here you can see a picture of my brother working at funerals, burying people to support our dropship business. Here you can see a picture of me working as a garbage man in the school vacation to support our dropship business. And we have just struggled so hard. We did 9 months to just get 5 sales in one day. We first lost all our money, wasted a lot of time, a lot of frustration, and this is completely unnecessary if you know where to focus on. We focused on the wrong things. We focused on getting Facebook page likes, and if we knew somebody, if we had somebody who just could tell us, hey, Luciën Florian, focus on these things, then we would have got so far more fast profitable. So we don't want you to undergo the same thing, the same process as us, because it can go so much smoother and so much faster. So that is why we share all this value and want you to become profitable. Give us a like if you thought there was some really good value, or if you like the socks. Comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make. Ask us questions, we're happy to help and we will answer them all. And then I see you in the next video.